I love the outside designing options that they have. It's kind of like a farm look of the house, which I love. You don't get to see as many of these right here in Austin, Texas. And I love the color combination that they have selected for this model home. As you can see, there is lots of upgrades in there. There's black trims around the windows, which is also another upgrade. But we're going to be walking down into these two beautiful doors, which is called the iron doors. They're really heavy. As you enter the model house, you'll see a dual staircase right here. And guys, this model home has about 250,000 upgrades. So lots of upgrades in here. And if you're going to be building this home from day one, like from top to bottom, expect to have about 10 to 25% of upgrades from your base price point. Other thing that I love about this study room right here, it's the long window. And on the top ceiling, guys, it's just a decorative piece that they have on there. So that's one feature that I love about this iron door is that it opens up, you can get your breeze in, enjoy the nice weather outside. In Austin, it gets hot in the summer times, but most of the October, November, December is pretty okay. This here is your formal dining. And as we enter, you'll see that we have a wine room right here, which I love. I just love these doors, the iron doors throughout this home. And the storage. If you guys are building a home and want to get extra storage, sometimes what the builders might do is they can take out that wall and go all the way through to get more storage space. So, I've done that when I was building my own house. So make sure you let your builder know. Maybe they may consider it, maybe not, but at least you tried. You got beautiful high ceilings in this house. The structural upgrades I would recommend is the sliding doors. As you guys can see, this house has the sliding doors and it allows the natural lighting to come in. Over here, we do have a pantry, but it is loft, very spacious. Again, if you guys are building and if you want those extra shelves on top, see if they can do that for you. And look at this grand kitchen. Opens up to the living space. Perfect for, parties, entertainment. This stone is, it's called the soapstone, which I just got that information. And it's very good for cleaning. You just wipe it off. I asked the sales rep, I'm like, hey, can I use the Clorox wipes and just wipe it off? I was like, you just wipe it off. It's not going to damage anything. I love the 6-stove burner. And they have a double oven right there and one right here. And they've got the microwave right on top. I've got a double oven in my house and I hardly do much use of it. I just use one of them for storing the pots and pans, but it's fancy to have. But in Travisso, one thing that you guys will notice, it's the views. If you have a lot, you can pick one, get these views in. Right here, we have a guest room. Again, if you guys want some inspirations on design options, this one is well nicely decorated. And one thing I would advise is when you have an option for structural changes is to do a walk-in shower. And if you can, what better than the tub? Because if you have some elder families living in there, it's obviously a good thing to have for them to use and just go for the shower. Very easy versus stepping onto the, the bathtub. This is very fancy. It's built in. And they've got this tiles all the way up to the ceiling. Again, very open floor plan. I love this master bedroom. The lighting fixtures, it is so open, and the decoration that they have done is so beautiful. And look at this long windows. Lots of light coming in. The furniture I love kind of reminds me of like India. I don't know guys, what do you think? For those that are watching. I like this, it's very cute. Okay, you can get into the backyard. This is open because it's a model. Obviously, you guys can add any kind of door you want, a farm door, which is what the look has been lately on the design options. And I just love this layout of the mirrors, the black cabinets, the central tub. You've got the linen closet. The walk-in shower. I'm kind of surprised that they don't have a rain head shower in this one. And you've got this beautiful walk-in closet. And I'm pretty sure this is going to be for the women. I don't know, man, where you're going to put your clothes, but I would suggest this is a nice big walk-in closet. And another thing here is the extra storage underneath the island right there, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the laundry room. And yes, the second fridge here, if you guys want that extra refrigerator. I know I have 2 fridges with the kids growing, they always need extra food. And lots of cabinet. The one thing that I love about this is also the window in the laundry room. And one thing I would add is the sink, guys. I remember when I had to design my house, I was like, I don't need a sink because there's a bathroom right there. But trust me, adding a sink will do you good. And this leads to the garage. And right here you guys can hang your coats, and they've got an extra closet for hanging coats. And also, you guys, if you want, you can obviously upgrade the rims right here and the flooring right there. It makes it look bigger if you have a bigger ones. You know, this is a new section in Travisso. Travisso is located up north. The few things that I've noticed that my clients have purchased, you know, good and bad. The good things are the amenities, the involvement that the community has. They've got the farmers market that keeps happening, and you know, socialization with the community. They also have Facebook page. The things that they did not like is obviously it's further away inside, so getting in and out of the community, it's a little bit of work just to like groceries and to do day-to-day errands. So this is one of the bedrooms upstairs. And I'm kind of happy they have this staircase down here for your attic access. Look at that, that's your attic. You don't get to see that much of an attic staircase hanging down in a model room. And this right here is your game room, your entertainment, your media room. So we're heading down into your media room right here. So when building, kind of think about how much space you guys will need. Will you be using a media room? Will you be using a game room? Here we go into a next bedroom. I love the way they have decorated this bedroom. And its own bathroom. I've used the same tiles in my house. Look at that. And then you can just walk out from here. One thing that I would advise is, I know these rails are very fancy and stylish, but I would be worried if I had small little kids climbing up on this rail. So just be mindful on the options. This is a tour of the beautiful model home right here in Travisso, built by Toll Brothers, called the Rollinghill. Okay guys, that was a tour of the beautiful floor plan, the Rollinghill, right here in Leander, Travisso community. If you like that floor plan and need additional information, reach out to me, let me know. I can get you guys those details. I've already built a relationship with the sales reps over there, so I can get you all the details that you need. Hopefully you guys will reach out, subscribe to my channel for those that are new. But until next time, thanks for watching.